for lunch. I used to work in the afternoon, then go back, then come back, and then in the night I used to give it a couple of hours and with dedication. And as Sri Ram has done it, I have followed his example. And as far as I can say, I didn't give up. I promised Sri Ram that I'll give it, and I have delivered it. Coming to what my book is about, it has 20 chapters and 156 pages cover to cover. It is basically a small depiction of Sri Ram's life, how his upbringing was, what were the challenges faced by his family, what all were the setbacks, or what all his medical problems were, how the treatment process was. Then after that, what prompted them to bring him into the swimming category, how he decided to pursue it, who all they met.
Dignitaries on the rise,
Must.
and I must confess that there are more important dignitaries of the rise, parents of Shri Ram, all those who are the support system of Shri Ram and played a vital role in this success story. Young cadets of NCC, good evening to all of you. I think there cannot be a better way to celebrate this International Day of Persons with Disability than a release of this book, a release of this story, a story of grit, a story of hard work, a story of dedication of Shri Ram. This is not only a story of Shri Ram, this is also a story of a passionate doctor, Dr. Arnesh Garg, who has brought the story of Shri Ram to all of us. It is also story of a true leader, Commodore V.K. Garg, who provided all the support which was required so that the talent, the capability of Shri Ram could be highlighted before all of us. This is the story of the parents of Shri Ram, the coaches of Shri Ram, the doctors of Shri Ram, the entire family of Shri Ram who have provided him the equal opportunity, the correct environment for his growth. So all of us today celebrate this story. International Day of Persons with Disabilities require that all of us should create the right environment for the growth of everyone. As speakers before me said, ability and disability are very perceptive words. Some people have some innate disabilities, or I would like to say, what we perceive as disabilities, what they convert these challenges into successes and these disabilities into their abilities. And there are others who have innate abilities, but then they deteriorate into disabilities. It may be physical, it may be mental, it may be psychological. Even not treating everyone as equal, I would say it is a disability. It is a maybe mental disability, a disability which occurs because of our bloated egos. So, all of us are equal, and our constitution also provides equal rights to everyone. Equal right means that everybody should get equal opportunity for their growth. The external factors should not hinder their growth. Friends, I must salute Shri Ram because he has not only done swimming in the sea, he has swam against the tide of our environment, the tide of challenges posed by this society to obstruct his growth. And in spite of that, he has achieved all this. I am very confident that this story brought out by Dr. Anesh Garg will inspire many lives. It will motivate many more heroes. And I am very sure that our young cadets who have seen this short video film regarding the grit and dedication of Shri Ram will definitely be inspired and motivated to develop their abilities, to create the right environment for each and every one of their friends, and our society will be a better place to live. Thank you.
A very good evening to one and all present here. I am really humbled today to be part of this celebration. I will salute Shri Ram, and particularly I was amazed when his mother was talking. As a mother, I could feel the pain and the joy both when she was talking about Shri Ram. It's always certain things when actually we see that makes us realize how we sometimes forget about others. I will just share a small incident. As NSS coordinator, I got a request, there's a need for a scribe. And the girl came, her friend came to me, she said, ma'am, tomorrow we need a scribe, and since the earlier scribe has refused, and you arrange for a scribe. It was very difficult at that time to arrange a scribe. So I thought of my daughter, I told her whether you will do it. She was a little reluctant, but she said, yes, I will do it. And my elder one told her, you start studying now, because tomorrow you have to write the paper and you should not make the girl fail. But my younger one said, okay, we'll see, because she didn't have time and she didn't know which subject she was going to write. And next day when she wrote, she came out, I could feel she was a different person. She said, I learned so many things. This girl was so particular. She made me write, she made me use different pens, she made me underline, and I learned so many things. Her perspective towards differently abled person changed. That is what I feel. Somewhere we are missing in the society what we call it as inclusive education. As an academician, I feel, and now I am as part of NSS coordinator, so many programs are coming to my mind which I can initiate, through which I can support. Till now, there were so many other things which were there which we were doing. But this is one thing which I feel, because differently abled people, they have the potential. Normal people can do normal things. It is the differently abled people, they can do wonders. Only thing is, as my earlier speakers have pointed out, it's the right environment, it's the support. I would like to congratulate Dr. Anesh Garg, Commodore Garg, for bringing out this story. And again, I want to emphasize, he is here. I want all the kids to be here one day. And that is only possible if all of us take a pledge that yes, we will support them in whatever way possible. With these few words, I would like to congratulate all the organizers for this program. It was really an eye-opener for me, and I hope we'll do something, and we'll do something for these kids to become Shri Ram. That is what I wish for the differently abled kids. Thank you very much.